Leaf arrangement has been modeled mathematically since 1996 using an equation known as the DC2, or also known as the Dwayde and Kuder 2. The equation can generate many, but not all, leaf arrangement patterns observed in nature by changing the value of different variables of a plant physiology, such as the relationships between different plant organs or strength of chemical signals within the plant. Some plants have a peculiar pattern. At least 4 unrelated plant species possess the unusual orchid leaf arrangement pattern. Researchers suspected that it must be possible to create the orchid pattern using the fundamental genetic and cellular machinery shared by all plants, because the alternative possibility that the same very unusual leaf arrangement pattern evolved 4 or more separate times seemed too unlikely. To identify the leaf arrangement of plant species, botanists measure the angle between leaves, moving up the stem from oldest to youngest leaf. Common patterns are symmetrical and have leaves arranged at regular intervals of 90 degrees basil or mint, 180 degrees stem grasses like bamboo, or in Fibonacci golden angle spirals like the needles on some spherical cacti or the succulent spiral aloe.